خال به کنج لب یکی طره مشک فام وای به حال مرغ دل دانه یکی و دام
tempted by one seed but threatened by two snares.
محتسب است و شیخ من صحبت عشق
I converse with two, a sheriff and a sheikh, over the matter of love. I cannot bother to refute them, as wise as I am, being one in the company of two fools.
از چه کنم مجابشان پخت یکی و خام محتسب است و شیخ من صحبت عشق در میان از چه کنم مجابشان صورت ماه طلعتان زیر کمند گیسوان کس به جهان ندیده است صبح یکی و شام.
The sublime beauty of your face hidden behind two dark tresses. Never before has the world witnessed a raised sun would set twice.
کس به جهان ندیده صبح یکی و شام.
Wine drinkers surrounded the cask, made pregnant by the maiden of the vineyard. Behold the misgotten child, who has one father but two mothers.
طفل حرام زاده بین باب یکی و
my beautiful cupbearer, why do you sit so heedlessly? Bring us wine and give us drink. For one I pay now, for the other two later.
باده بیار می بده نقد یکی و باده بیار می بده نقد یکی و
That pair of heart-rending eyes look drunk like a goblet brimming with wine.
چشم دل ربا
Behold what the drunken Tatar is holding, a single vintage but two vessels.
باده یکی و جام همچو قرابه پر ز می در کف تو که مست می بده باده یکی و جام مست دو چشم دل ربا همچو قرابه پر ز می در کف تو که مست باده یکی و جام.
Thousands like me were slain by the sword of thy eyebrows. Nations are captivated by the spell of your eyes. Not one or two, but them all.
بسته چشم جادویت میم یکی و لام دو وعده وصل میدهی وعده وصل
You keep promising reunion but never keep your words. Never have I observed in this world an honorable man saying one thing but meaning another.
وعده وصل میدهی لیک وفا نمیکنی من به جهان ندیدم مرد یکی کلام دو
Once you may refer to me as your dog beside your gate. Another time just refer to me as a lowly slave. It matters to me not. The same maiden I am, but two appellations.
گاه کمین چاکرت فرق نمی‌فند یکی و نام فرق نمی بنده یکی